Welcome to the Bobbit collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn 5 classic bob shapes with variants on perimeter outline length and shape, texture, tension, and optional fringes. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Stacey Broughton guides you through a fundamental one-length box bob cut with tension, a beautifully simple shape full of discipline and technique. Stacey's second tutorial demonstrates a classic timeless box bob featuring pointers on the positioning of line above the hairline, the blend from the guide into the hairline, the continuation of line from front to back, and the placement and length of the fringe. For Lesson 3, Stacey guides you through a variation of a long A-line shape, teaching you graduation, over direction, and the importance of finger and body positioning in the placement of the perimeter line. In Lesson 4, Tracey Hughes' bob haircut incorporates graduation, over direction, disconnection, and the placement of a heavy fringe. Finally, in Lesson 5, Stacey Broughton teaches a horizontal graduated technique on permed hair, starting from the perimeter at the back area, working a curved line with tension and progressing to elevation. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Bobbit collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Bobbit collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.